Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I've been making baskets and gifts and things like that today. On my scored day off. We've just been low sensing since a lot of doctors haven't scheduled a whole lot of surgeries. So we all kind of rotate and take turns, and the 12-hour and 10-hour people cannot low census, but us 8-hour people can. So I did get a low census day today anyway. I'm just gonna show you one of the things that I've worked on today. The rest you'll see probably tonight on the live, if I do it down here, or I might do it in the house. Haven't decided yet. It's a little bit chilly today. Actually, it's downright cold today in the Crafty Corner. It feels like it's like 10 or 15 degrees lower than it is outside. But I did work on a couple of Mother's Day items today, and this is one of them. This will actually go into a basket. But you remember these little hearts that were at Dollar General? They were a penny. And I had ordered some scrub sets from Temu. So I decided to make a little scrub set to go into one of the Mother's Day baskets. I only have 3 of these little hearts, so I said, okay, we're going to use these since we can use hearts for Mother's Day too. So what I did was I just simply put some roses around the edges here, and then we have the 3 little spa sets that are scrubs. I also included the emery board, nail buffer, and there is a little nail pick in there too. So I thought this would be a cute little idea to go into some Mother's Day baskets to give those a little enhancement. And I'll show you what those scrubs look like. Very affordable. And they're basically just fillers to enhance your baskets with. So this one is the shea butter. And that's what it looks like. And it has avocado in it. Avocado oil. And then we have the, of course, none of them are turned the right way. All right, this one is the milk flavor exfoliating scrub, whitening, smoothing, clean the cuticle. Okay, so that is what this one is looking like. And these are hand scrubs now for the hand. All right, and then this one is refreshing, clean, the keratin oil control. And this is a honey peach. And that's what it looks like. So I am adding these little hand scrubs, nail scrubs, to these baskets, mainly making a small little nail kit with the buffer, emery board, and the pick, as well as the scrubs for the nails. All right. So I thought this was just a cute little idea to put into some Mother's Day baskets. And I'll be making however many hearts I have left, I will make of these. I believe I only had 3 of those hearts. So I will include 3 of these into 3 Mother's Day baskets. And I know I said I wasn't going to start doing Mother's Day baskets till next week, and that's true. That is true. However, I am working on everything that is in front of me right now, and I had used these in some Valentine's concepts. A few of them sold, but I had some left over, so I took the Valentine stuff out, and I'm going to do these little mom nail scrub kits in here. The little emery board set I also got from Temu. And it comes just like this. You get the nail buffer. And these are very small items, but they are nice enhancements to your baskets. You get a small emery board. And then you get a bag that has all the little picks in it. And I'll just show you what one of those little picks looks like. And that's the little nail pick. So I think these are good enhancements. And just some of the things that you can find on Temu or whatever store you scroll on. Items you can find to do some basket enhancements with, you know. It's not all about just putting items in a basket. You definitely want to create some items to go in a basket to enhance it. So, something like that would go very nice together. And this is the Polo Club, Beverly Hills Polo Club for her. And this one is called Sexy. And it's definitely would go pair nice together in a Mother's Day basket. There's also this set that would pair nicely in a Mother's Day basket. So there are a lot of things that you can do to enhance your baskets and increase your sales. So I just wanted to share that little concept with you. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafty.